In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add spouse on TurboTax 2024 to 2025. Easy tutorial. First, open TurboTax and look at the left sidebar. Click My Info. This is where you manage your household and personal details, and anything you enter here flows through the rest of your return. Next, in the Personal Information section, choose Married Filing Jointly. Selecting this filing status tells TurboTax to create a spouse profile within your return, so both of your details, income and deductions can be reported together. Now, scroll down until you see the Your Household area and open Spouse Info. This is the dedicated section where you'll enter your spouse's basic information. Start with the name. Click Review Edit under Name and enter your spouse's first name, middle initial if they use one, and last name. Make sure the name matches what's on their tax identification documents to avoid e-file rejections, and include any suffixes like junior or senior if applicable. Move to Identification. Click Review Edit under SSN or ITN and enter either the Social Security number or the individual taxpayer identification number. Type carefully and double-check each digit. For security, enter this only inside TurboTax on a trusted device and a secure network. Next, click Review Edit under Birth Date and enter your spouse's date of birth. This helps TurboTax confirm eligibility for certain credits and deductions, so accuracy matters here as well. Click Review Edit under Occupation and type your spouse's current occupation. A simple, plain language title is fine and helps specific state and local forms populate correctly. Click Review Edit under Resident State and select your spouse's state of residence. If there were moves during the tax year, choose the state where your spouse legally resided at year-end. TurboTax can handle part year details later in the process. Before you leave this section, review everything you've entered. Confirm the spelling of the name, the complete date of birth, the occupation, and the resident state, and verify the SSN or ITIN one last time. Any needs review notices or red alerts should disappear once all entries are complete and valid. Matching the name exactly to the tax ID on file helps prevent e-file rejections and processing delays. When everything looks good, click. Continue to proceed with the rest of your tax return. TurboTax will carry this information into the relevant income, deduction, and credit areas, and you can return to Spouse Info anytime to make changes. And that's how to add a spouse in TurboTax. Thanks for watching.